Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to create a Google Docs template in 2025. Whether you're a student organizing assignments, a professional streamlining reports, or just someone who loves efficiency, this quick guide will save you tons of time. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Google Docs. You can do this by going to docs.google.com in your web browser or using the app on your device. Once you're in, click on the plus blank button to start a new document. This is your canvas, so get creative. Next, design your template. Add all the elements you want to reuse, like headers, footers, placeholders for text, images, or even tables. For example, if you're making a resume template, include sections for contact info, skills, and experience. Don't forget to format it nicely. Use bold for titles, adjust fonts, and set margins to make it look professional. Now, for the key step: saving it as a template. Go to File in the top menu, then select Save as Template. In 2025, Google has made this even easier with new options like custom categories and sharing settings. Give your template a name that describes it, like Weekly Report Template, and choose where to save it, maybe in your Google Drive or as a shared team resource. Once saved, you can access your template anytime by going to the template gallery in Google Docs. Just click on it to create a copy, and you're good to go. Pro tip: if you want to share it with others, use the Share button to set permissions, so your team can use it too. And there you have it, your very own Google Docs template ready to use. This feature is a total game changer for productivity, especially with the 2025 updates that include better collaboration tools. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite template ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.